Hello, I'm Mike, your Eontribe Learning Assistant. In today's video, we're going to dive into the exciting world of our Ambassador program and discover how you can start earning rewards. First and foremost, you'll need to register in our platform. It's a breeze, just enter your email, create a password, and hit that button. Welcome to your dashboard. You're now part of our Ambassador program. Let's explore all the features it offers. Let's kick things off by delving into the FAQ section. Simply click the link right here and navigate to the Ambassador program. Here, you can find answers to a variety of common questions. Fantastic! If you still have questions lingering, or you couldn't find what you were looking for in this video, or the FAQ, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can contact us via our Telegram group, specifically in the Ambassador topic. You'll find a link to the group in the video description below. Now, let's return to the Ambassador program. Up top, you'll spot your current level and the number of points needed to level up. As you advance through the levels, you'll unlock a treasure trove of exciting tasks. If you can't find a task that piques your interest, shoot a message to our support team on Telegram. They're always ready to assist in finding the perfect task for you. Below, you'll see tasks categorized into 3 types: easy, creative, and highly paid. Each type varies in difficulty, rewards, and the points you'll earn. To tackle a task, simply choose the one that catches your eye. Hit the Start button and complete it. After you've finished, click on Upload Proof to submit your work, whether it's a link, an image, a video, or any other supported format. Our administrators will then evaluate the quality of your work and set the task's status to either completed or check your email. If it's marked as completed, rest assured that your rewards will be automatically credited to your account. If it's check your email, make sure to monitor your inbox. You'll receive feedback on what might need improvement. You've got 1 week, Monday through Sunday, to complete a task. Starting the following week, the task pool may get a refresh, and your progress could reset.